So are you looking for a way to back up data easily to multiple drives? Well, the Inateck UA2001 may be a really great choice for your needs. So hey guys, Pope here again. Got Goosey over here and got Mavi over there, so both my cats. And the Inateck, I guess beta or data backup converter, whatever, has ID connectors right there, SATA connector right there. So let's review this thing. And by the way, if you guys want to check out my unboxing, be sure to watch it in the corner of the screen or something, because I tell you guys what's in there. It comes with a driver disc, some cables and stuff like that. But this is of course the main thing that you get right there. So that's kind of cool. As for now, let's find out what this product is and if it's actually worth your time. So to begin using this adapter, you'll need to install the drivers in your computer, which are included on a disk that's included in the box, or you can download them online, which is great. You have best of both worlds. You also get some software within the drivers that will basically allow you to pick the files to back up, and then you can slap that backup button right there in the middle and basically just back up your files with basically one click. I mean, you have to click the files you want to do, but then you can do it pretty easily. So all of those installations are pretty damn simple, and I really like the software. It was pretty useful without being totally complicated. So I think it would suit either really tech savvy people or on the other end of the spectrum where they don't really know too much about tech, but you can still kind of, lure your way through everything. So not too bad, I like it a lot. Moving on to the hardware side, mostly everything was positive for my testing. Having USB 3.0 is great, even though it really won't be utilized if you're using hard drives, which I feel like is what a lot of people are going to use, especially with these IDE connectors. I don't know if there's any solid state drives that use that kind of technology anymore, but yeah. So with that USB 3.0, I achieved 150 megabytes per second read from my SSD and 200 megabytes per second write, which is pretty respectable for my solid state drive. If you have a better one, I bet you could get way better with that, but pretty respectable. The only hardware disappointment for me was that this adapter had just one SATA port and two IDE ports, which IDE really isn't used too much anymore. Of course, the SATA right there. And then I think this is an IDE for a laptop. It has a few less pins than this one, which is for a 3.5-inch drive most likely. I don't use those drives at all anymore. So I mean, if you still use those drives, that's great for you. This product will work even better. But personally, I use this for the most part. I tried to use this a little bit, but I don't really have that many drives that use that kind of stuff, so I couldn't really test it out a whole lot. And by the way, if you don't want to use this to back up data, you can literally just use this to hook up hard drives to your computer and, just use them, diagnose the hard drives, or diagnose the hard drives, see if they're working properly, or back up data manually. So that's another advantage as well. Of course, you wouldn't connect a hard drive up to this thing for months on end, but it is really great for diagnosing any problems with the drive or anything like that. So I like that a lot, that you can multitask with this thing. So who is this adapter really designed for? Well, if you work on computers for a career, this kind of thing is probably a must. I mean, I work at the bookstore over here at my college, and I fix computers. There's always hard drives going out and stuff like that, and I can see exactly how this would work out in that case. Now, if you're just a regular user and you're maybe just backing up your computer every once in a while, you can still find some use out of this. If you're backing up your hard drive once a year or something, I could still find this pretty useful. But especially for someone that's working on computers all the time, this would totally be a must. So overall, I really did like this converter. Once again, I kind of wish that maybe these IDE slots, having one of those would definitely be useful, especially the 3.5-inch one in my opinion. But I wish this one was swapped out with a SATA port or something like that, because this thing has USB 3.0, so clearly it has newer technology, but I wish it had some of the newer technology with additional SATA ports, because sometimes I want to hook up more than one SATA drive at once. And in my closing, you guys should know that Inateck sent me this drive enclosure. I'm going to send you guys over to Goose so you have something to look at while I'm talking about this. So actually, I think I just said they sent me this drive enclosure, which was the last thing I reviewed. But Inateck sent me this product free of charge in exchange for this review. I always, test my products pretty thoroughly. I think I tested this thing for about almost like 2 weeks or something. So I definitely tried this thing out. I even did buy an IDE drive to use on it, which is, pretty cool, I guess. But basically what I'm trying to say is in no way was I bought into making this review. And if I did find some issues with it, which I guess I really did because I really would have wished another Sata Port since I use that so much more often. But basically, all my reviews are legit. Inateck didn't pay me to do all this stuff, so awesome stuff. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, you don't believe any of that and everything like that, just check out some of my previous reviews because I have given products crap before that I got sent for free. With all that said, be sure to drop a like on this review if you did find it enjoyable or helpful or anything like that. Also, look out for the giveaway because since Inateck sent me this for free, I can give it away for free. Yeah. And also, subscribe to my channel if you like tech, unboxings, and reviews. And I'm trying to do gaming news again, but sorry guys, college has been really busy, yeah. And anyways, beyond that, I hope you crazy motherfuckers have a great day. And look out for some more reviews and unboxings, giveaways soon. See you guys later.